I've had a interesting relationship with this. I chose it over ambition, over opportunity, over things I didn't even know I was giving up. At first it felt safe, but then it started to feel like a cage. Because sometimes I chased it, other times I hid behind it. And that voice pops up every now and again. It says, you haven't earned this. You don't deserve this. But now I see it for what it is. Not weakness, not laziness. It's balance. It's healing. It's relaxation. And I choose it on purpose this time.